What is up, guys? Today I'm just playing Doge Miner. Alright, fairly easy. Wow, that is a good ring. Let's go to the moon. Let's see if we can get this one quick, too. Whoa. Wow, this is easy. Okay, but how you get this game is you just go online and search Doge Miner 2. And when you search Doge Miner 2, you will get this. It will be a website, but you will, like, if you click the website, then it's better than mine. Not by much, but alright, I'll load Mars and I'll get back to you when I'm there. Guys, we're back, and I got a glow stick. When I got here, there was a moon crate from here. Getting all these places easily. Some less than others, but I'm sure Jupiter is still the hardest one. Right, so this is how they look. Ooh. Sorry, guys. Alright, I'll see you when we get to Mars. Hey guys, I'm at Jupiter, but we are here now. Alright, let's see if we... Ooh, a diamond. Ooh, happiness Jupiter stone. Happiness is hard to know happiness was. I like happiness, but not when it tries this hard to not bring. Alright, we are lucky. Weekday to get one. It's alright. I've clicked 1 million right there without stopping. I love these OP pickaxes. Like, Doge coin. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of money. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take that one. I can buy probably any of my upgrades. Yeah. Alright. Comment down below if you've played this game. And also, I will be doing a giveaway on, I think I say this in every video, a mining simulator, pet simulator, and on Lumber Tycoon 2. So comment down below, give me your user, I'll give you mine, I'll friend you, and we will get to there. Alright, that pretty much sums up this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great night.